Hey, what's up, guys? This is JY Smart Tech here again, and today I'll be explaining to you guys about what Drupal is and walk through you guys the steps on how to create a content type, adding fields to it, and then create content of that type in Drupal. Since the past previous weeks, we talked about Grab and WordPress, but this week we're going to talk about Drupal. So, to explain a little about Drupal, Drupal is a content management software that is used to produce and design several of the websites that people visit every day. With its highly extensible features such as simple content authoring, reliable performance in the website production, security, and incredible flexibility, Drupal strives to become the top CMS for developing web applications. The main reason why corporations use Drupal over other content management software systems like Grab and WordPress is that Drupal provides sophisticated, flexible, and robust web applications, allowing unlimited customization in the development process. An ideal content management system must allow not only web developers, but also non-technical people to easily edit, make changes, and add content without having to depend on the technical web developing team. Many big corporations such as General Electric, Warner Media, Johnson & Johnson, and eBay chose Drupal because of its built for the editors as well as the administrators with secure and accessible features. So now we can jump right into looking at the website that I have created using Drupal. Here it is. And this is the website that I created, and it includes the My Schedule that I built, showing all the details related to the courses. So here's the title, and here's the number of the credits. Here's the description of the course, the instructor names, the classroom location, and the status the course is currently in, which is all active. And more from that, here is the filter that shows the status that can filter out. Here's the title, and here's the location filter as well. And now I'll explain to you guys more how this all works by making content types and adding fields to it and creating content of that type in Drupal. So to go into that, we can click on structure and go to content types. Now by pressing add content type, we can put the athlete we can make an athlete profile. So put athlete here, and here for the description, we can put athlete for PSU sports. On the title field label right here, we can put the name for the athlete, and we can save. And now you can see that the content type athlete has been added, and we can add fields to that. So to add a new field, the first field we're going to add is text formatted. This is for the name of the athlete. And the maximum length right here is going to be default for 255, but we can always change that, but we'll leave it right here. Allowed number of values will be 1. And this has been updated. We're going to make this a required field because athlete name is required for the profile. And we're not going to set the default value because everyone has the different details on their profile and a different name. So we're going to save settings. So now we've just created an athlete name right here. And to add on to that, we're going to add another field. This one's going to be text formatted again, but this one we're going to put, let's see, we can put a name of the sport that the athlete is playing. It's also default to 255. Allow number values 1. Same thing. Default value is nothing because not everyone plays the same sports. All right, here you go. Now here we have the fields added, and now we can press edit right here so we can save content type. Now the content type athlete has been updated, so everything is saved up to point, and now we're gonna create the content. Press content and add content right here, and this will be for the athlete. So for example, athlete name could be Kevin. Body, we don't really need that. Athlete name will be Kevin. Hartman. Just an example name, it's just a random name. And the sport that he plays will be swimming, and save. So now you can see that we have created a athlete profile. So you can see Kevin right here, and here's the athlete name saying Kevin Hartman, and the sport that he plays, which is swimming. And now you can see the details, and then you can add it to a view, so you can make it display the way you want to, either in a grid format or a table format, or any way you want. So this was a basic walkthrough of what Drupal was and how to create a content type, adding fields to it, and then creating content in Drupal. So thank you for watching this video, and remember to like and subscribe to JY Smart Tech. Thank you.